In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hue and affinity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shift the color of any shape with control and confidence using a simple HSL adjustment. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and loading the document you want to work on. Give the canvas a quick look to make sure you know which object you plan to recolor. This workflow is non-destructive and easy to tweak later, so you can experiment without worry. Next, click on the shape you want to change. Using the Move tool, simply select the object so it's clearly highlighted. Selecting the shape first tells Affinity which item you intend to adjust, helping the app target the hue change where you want it. If your shape is grouped with others, a second click may dive into the group so you can isolate just the object you need. Now look to the right side of the interface for the studio panels and find the Adjustments section. This is where Affinity keeps all the color and tonal controls. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see the list of available adjustments. You'll notice options for things like curves, levels, and more. But for color rotation, we'll use HSL. Click HSL to open the HSL adjustment controls. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and luminosity. Think of hue as the pure color on the color wheel, saturation as the color's intensity, and luminosity as how light or dark it appears. This panel is perfect for shifting a color to another without changing your object's shape, edges, or effects. To change the hue, adjust the hue shift slider. Dragging left or right rotates the color around the spectrum, transforming reds into oranges, blues into teals, and so on. Move the slider slowly and watch your shape update in real time. Small adjustments often look more natural, while larger shifts can create dramatic new palettes. If you're matching a brand or theme, stop when the color sits comfortably alongside your other elements. Avoid touching saturation and luminosity if you only want to change hue. Leaving them as is helps maintain the original intensity and brightness of your design. Take a moment to zoom in and inspect edges and gradients as the hue changes. If your shape includes gradients or overlays, the shift will apply consistently, keeping highlights and shadows intact while rotating the color itself. If the result feels too bold or too subtle, nudge the slider a little further until it's just right. And that's it. You opened Affinity Designer, selected your shape, went to Adjustments, chose HSL, and used Hue Shift to dial in the perfect color change. Save your document when you're happy, and you're good to go.